Welcome back to Car Look. Today, we're diving into the return of an American legend, the 2025 Mercury Marauder. After years of speculation and rumors, Mercury has finally brought back the Marauder, and it's more aggressive, powerful, and technologically advanced than ever. This full-size muscle sedan is set to shake up the performance car market, blending old-school power with modern luxury and cutting-edge tech. But does it live up to the legendary name? Let's take a deep dive into what makes the 2025 Marauder one of the most exciting cars of the year. One look at the 2025 Marauder, and you know this car means business. It carries the bold, menacing stance that made the original a cult favorite, but now with a modern twist. The front end is dominated by a massive blacked-out grille, flanked by sharp LED headlights with signature daytime running lights. The hood features aggressive air vents, hinting at the raw power underneath. The front bumper is sculpted for aerodynamics, with a lower splitter adding both style and function. From the side, the Marauder stays true to its full-size muscle sedan roots, with a long, wide body sitting on massive 20-inch black alloy wheels, wrapped in high-performance tires. The muscular fenders and sculpted body lines create an intimidating presence, while blacked-out trim and tinted windows enhance the sinister look. Mercury has also improved aerodynamics with subtle enhancements like flush door handles and a sleek roofline that transitions smoothly into the rear. At the back, the Marauder doesn't hold back. A full-width LED taillight bar adds a futuristic touch, while the quad exhaust setup delivers an unmistakable growl. The trunk lid features an integrated spoiler for improved stability at high speeds. A rear diffuser enhances both aerodynamics and visual aggression, making sure everyone knows this is not your average luxury sedan. Mercury has truly brought the Marauder into the modern era while staying true to its muscle car heritage. Step inside, and the 2025 Marauder delivers a cabin that balances high-performance inspiration with premium comfort. The driver-focused cockpit features a 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster, customizable with performance data, navigation, and driving modes. A massive 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system dominates the center console, running Mercury's latest software with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in AI-powered voice controls. The seats are heavily bolstered, wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara with heating, ventilation, and even massage functions for ultimate comfort. The black interior theme is accented by carbon fiber and aluminum trim, adding to the high-performance aesthetic. The flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in leather with integrated paddle shifters and performance controls, giving drivers complete command over this beast. In the back, passengers are treated to ample legroom and premium materials, making the Marauder both a high-performance machine and a comfortable cruiser. A high-end 14-speaker B&O sound system ensures an immersive audio experience, while ambient lighting lets drivers set the perfect mood for any journey. The combination of muscle car aggression and luxury refinement makes this interior one of the best in its class. Now, let's talk about what really matters: the powertrain. Under the hood, the 2025 Marauder is powered by a monstrous 5.2-liter supercharged V8, pushing out a jaw-dropping 750 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a lightning-fast 10-speed automatic transmission, delivering brutal acceleration and razor-sharp response. The result? A 0 to 60 mile-per-hour time of just 3.5 seconds, making the Marauder one of the quickest sedans on the market. For those who crave even more performance, Mercury offers a high-performance SVT package that bumps power to nearly 800 horsepower with upgraded cooling, suspension, and exhaust tuning. Rear-wheel drive comes standard, but an advanced all-wheel drive system is available for maximum grip and control in all conditions. Launch control, adaptive suspension, and multiple drive modes allow drivers to fine-tune the Marauder's performance to their liking. With all this power, technology, and luxury, The 2025 Mercury Marauder doesn't come cheap. The base model starts at around $85,000, while fully loaded versions with performance upgrades can push well over $100,000. That puts it in direct competition with some of the best high-performance sedans in the world, but with the legacy and attitude of the Marauder name, this car stands out as something truly special. The return of the Marauder proves that muscle sedans are far from dead. It's bold, powerful, and unapologetically aggressive, just like a true Marauder should be. If you're as excited as we are about this beast, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching Car Look.